my
You go need
videos.
long life. That's what I want to talk for this thing. I beg, no verse. No to the shot as it made it no cost you head dick.
Hey, go on, woman. This guy is very caring. This guy is very caring.
No let all those people problem let you they talk. Even though you want to talk, but just they know your voice most more. Because if they shout for there, you go they cause you.
Oh, why you? Oh, when you get Ivan, why you call me? Why you get? Okay. When you get shouting, you feel like I'm moving.
You know that big doctor, too much of shark, they cause headache.
Oh, again. My sister, what's your name? You say you are not from Benin. What's your name?
No, I'm Oluchi. I'm watching you.
Oh, Vibo. God will bless you too. Oh, okay, no, Vibo, God will bless you. You will see a good husband to marry. You are very caring, very caring.
No, I'm not the first husband.
Okay. That prayer is very wrong. Sorry, I do not know. Sorry.
Okay, I beg. Let me greet your wife and daughter, okay? Be good. Stop shouting, okay?
Thank you so much.
Stop shouting much. Okay, God bless you.
Okay. Ovigbo. Ota na when you get the shot. But the mess on your shouting like this. He shouting on your you wa go. Wa bola wa gbe. La. Opa we pa I don't like your shot now we shout your hard boy. Hello. Hey, Baba.
Yes, I greet you.
Happy New Year, sir.
Well, sir. One thing I want to talk is, you see this issue of you see this issue of the buy car or not buy car. I joined this matter to another day.
Okay.
Talk about the specific thing we want to talk about because so that you get time to investigate this issue very well.
Okay.
They talk about what you talk about. Who call you? They talk about this car matter. I joined this thing to another day because time.
Okay.
Talk what you want to.
God will bless you. Now, what I be want to do so.
Just talk with you. Thank you. This case to
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See, Lovette and Perigodi, I will put your matter for another day. Eh, so ni awala kekia. Ori miamia. Francis. Imiami wa. Ya itemu wa. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, my sister. Good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Eh? Good evening, what? Hey, call.
And then this one woman when it comes now, when they say where gas is in Italy, now so they walk this and this. That woman a bastard race. Why they lie?
Yeah. You see that girl a bastard?
Bro, she said guys he come abroad. He never walk. I know guys he rich ass. Nothing. He never walk. When he go there, he broke up. Guess a demo to her. For her. They come and they buy a bit for guys that time. What the woman they lie?
My sister, do you really know Gazi?
Yes. Okay, they talk.
Yes, now me they talk. You know Gazi? I know they hear you. Whatever you move Gazi, I want to talk with you. I can't talk now. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, brother, I call.
I know they hear you.
Yes, I hear you.
Hello. Are you like hearing me? Hello. Hey, brother. Yes.
Wa anyo wa no be anyo. I beg, God will bless that second to the last caller. I don't want to talk about this again. I will keep this matter for another day. Let's go back to what we were discussing. I will guess new one in reference. Happy corner. I will keep this one. Hello, Olivier. That one I'm a party. Oh, Olivier one. Yeah, daddy. You know, people, where did I go? My sister. Hey, guess in the reference. La go. Gouvernement adverse. La Olivier, la. Oh, my sister. It got enough 18, eh? That guy is a very nice person, no? Not because he will be on video.
Because he called me that time when I do video that time. He called me for the video, the way they talk. I'm a very nice person, the way I tell you, I'm
very nice person, no? Many girls they jealous her because they fan. Yes. Many girls they jealous her because they fan.
Well, yeah, I didn't get it for his whole daddy. Where was he for my brother?
I'm fucking for me. Oh, you're my queen in your toy. And you are no there. You're my sister. Emma. Wanyi Osha. Hello.
Hello, bro. Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. How does that?
My name is
your name now waiting. Your name now waiting.
My name is Nikki.
Nikki, okay.
Yes. Bros, I beg you, the reason why I call them based on this whole issue about France guests. Bros, I beg if you get all this France guests, not be everybody for France or for Paris. Not be Charlotte, I see they talk. Everybody not be like that, though. Everybody not a drag boyfriend, they do all those things. I beg. Okay. Everybody get their
now what boyfriend you get, Abi?
Yes.
Your boyfriend there with you for the
yes, before he get back here.
Give your boyfriend for make a greeter. He's a man.
Don't worry about that one.
Allah, you don't get one boyfriend. You don't get one boyfriend. Allah, I don't believe you.
Bro, see what? Bro, there's a tension now. I'm right there.
Hello.
Hey, Baba.
I greet you.
You are a man. For your girlfriend to give you call, you are a man. God will bless you, my brother. This you are a man, my brother. I don't know where from Paris where they do this kind of thing, my brother. What do you have to say? Advise them because you are a responsible man. You say? You say?
I'm just jobless one and the stairs.
Okay, now jobless people they be where they shop women money, abi? Okay, I want now. Oh, wait to what? A jobless? Oh, who are? Yeah. Hello. I hear you. You say? Bros, I hear you now. I hear you, my brother.
I say, I want boy will get his girlfriend for Paris. It makes sense.
It don't make sense, my brother.
You know, get that kind of time for women.
Very jobless. Very jobless.
My advice I have for them is to pack and go back to Germany.
Yeah, pack and come back to Germany. Where Germany?
No, Germany before them.
No, we know they tolerate those kind of things for Germany, yeah, my brother.
Now you be. God bless you for your work. What you do. Continue.
Amen, my brother. Bell, you hear you, my brother. Please. I do not want to talk about Gauzy for the now. Please. Even after am I careful? Listen. Hello.
Hello, bros. Good evening.
Good evening, my sister.
I say they want use daddy finish you.
We are you daddy you.
I don't be believe, but I dey hear everything when they talk. And my sister calls so say, may you drink water, may you taste off, may you no go carry headache.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Thank
they
you.
want to use daddy finish you.
Now that daddy they take the learn, they want use daddy they finish.
For this program, you see some of our guests. Na bini I dey well. You see some of our guests.
Yeah.
They don't know what he carried. They don't know what he they live.
Hello. Pamudiani wala. Hello, my brother Fallon. No, not the. I don't even know the talk myself. Oteme Ikemo in public. What better where you dey watch my program since? I not talk bad about you because I never see you for bad thing before. But it get wetin happen when I meet me be they call you before. When I want me you talk. But I don't know whether you feel deliberate on the issue. Okay. Now Wagegwa. It dey yellow. I dey hear you. Yes, it got your now. Oh yeah, talk my brother.
Okay. My brother, I will explain a lot of things, but I don't talk much.
Okay.
Because
listen to me. Gazila, na money I cut for your mouth. After today, if Gazi should explain to you after today, anybody will go mention Gazi for my platform, they go now walk you now. Because this guy is not supposed to be here. Yes, because your way the matter. But now, I beg, why are you calling me? Who are you? Gazi, talk to me, I dey hear you. I dey hear you now.
My brother, I'm not supposed to do this call. I believe since they talk about me, I never want to pick up my phone and call anybody.
Yes, on live video.
But I just want to make something clear right now. Say the thing they really pay me because I don't know really why I be saying now only me, my matter, people they like the deliberate on.
Okay.
I don't really know why. Not really me want to Paris. But all the same, you see that other mama twist. My brother, all the time me and mama twist they play. I believe say she not buy anything for me. She not buy more. Wait till they know.
Okay, when did this of us I bear wait to where una they call now? When una they say make gas the cost is wait now what call here now? More than let gas the fair finish before una go call me. I dey hear you, my brother. Right on.
Mama twist made a deliberate on. Mama twist not buy me motor. You understand? She never a day she buy me anything. But the issue, no be with me, go see deliberate on. I know they happy say you dey talk about my matter.
Okay.
Believe me, you know. I know they happy one day say you will not get to talk about this my issue. My brother, the thing they really pay me because not let me one thing. Okay. You understand? But I see no reason why I say my issue. If who want get viewers now, they'll break as the matter come. Who want get viewers, they'll break as the matter. My brother, it's our time. We all need to be mature for once. You understand me? So believe me, there are many guys in Paris today. They will get more than one girlfriend. My brother, they never hear about them. I don't really know why me, particularly.
Oh, now listen to what Gazi they talk now. One time, even the Gazi Tanya. Now bring Gazi matter come oh.
Listen to me. They feel leave other thing when they do though, concentrate on Gazi issue. I don't really know why. But what I want to beg everybody, my brother. May they leave me for waste. May they let their matter hold them.
Okay.
My brother, woman, they speak of woman give person money. They know how much woman will give. My brother, as I did, so I do my things myself. I believe it to say the way me they stand. So it to say all those Paris people no other thing why they do till they get money. Maybe they for those saying, but they go carry me.
That's it. Now money I cut for your mouth. One of my goddaughter write something just now for you. Say, not be me bring your issue come this media today. Oh. Now, somebody say you buy car for Lovette. Lovette buy car for you and me. Then bring your issue. Not be me carry your issue. That one I wait and say me I feel clear you. Maybe after the video, you go watch am from the start again. Wait. Then another thing I want to talk. Hold on. I'm money I call for your mouth. Another thing when I go like talk, since you don't do your clarification now, guys, you don't come tell una say that girl not back car for her. Shebu na go rest now. My brother, now God now go bless you for you to even still decide to even call me. Now God will bless you, but I dey give you one assurance today, say, in as much I am still here, I know they never born that person who will bring your issue come media because me and you don't talk well, and I don't see you to be person like that. Even me, we sit down here, people don't criticize me in so many ways. So anybody will go bring gas issue again, then that person need to bring evidence. If you don't feel see evidence bring, then you and me go get issue. Then not be even gassy. So
my brother, one thing me I believe. If you listen to most people when they talk, you will see and say maybe that they are my ex-girlfriend. I'm telling you to run down or to run my image down. But I dey talk and for the world to see, say, may they leave me, not believe no one at the Paris. May they deliberate on their own boyfriend. You understand? Believe me, it will be better for everybody. Because nobody will let me one day. They should stop sitting down. They will sit down for my matter. May they stop one. My brother, now wait till I go to talk.
My brother, you do it. Larry, open the key, when they say I dey fear Gazi. Person not do anything. So as you hear the talk just now, I hear the curse on. Gazi now good now kill you. I hear the curse on, I go hear the happy say yes. That's a no gay. Now God will punish you now. When they do that kind of thing. Well, what you go come make me the fear Gazi? Gazi, me and I they talk often. Every time we they talk. So if I hear you say you say fear, I will block you. Idiot. Hello?
Hello.
Hey.
That's the word Enogi one of Germany.
Hello.
I greet to bros.
Yo, Baba.
MC Valentino Paris, now they talk bros.
Hey, MC Valentino Paris.
I greet to bros.
Hello.
Yeah. Baba, really, I know they talk for live video, but to get what I talk today, you know, understand? Because, bros, now the Paris me I did now over 5 years, you know, that's so it be like because these people matter will be there, you know, these are still spoil everywhere. It don't even spoil most our name finish because not be every boy with they Paris not be useless, you know, understand? So at the same way be say man, that they use the bad people they do live video. People will be say they suppose even they patronize for the world, even they do better things, they know they do them. We they do comedy, we they do many things. I know they stand for people platform. So maybe now you're patronize or say this person they try. But now those bad ones, you know understand, people they talk about. I they see them. You know that me so the thing I they really the shame. It is spoil our name. If you they talk again, I go say Paris boys not good. You know the me so you go say Paris boys is not good. If you to do anything, they'll say Paris boys. That is the name. The way they say they spoil the name, it don't make sense. We on a Bini, we on a one. You know understand me so, bros. Bros, what do you mean they try to talk for your platform so, bros, I beg, if anybody bring any matter come for you, tell them make they go settle their matter for us because we where they do bros. I know they sleep. I they do video shout out, I they do everything. But you see most of the useless guys so when they call you so most of them they not say that boy get 11 girlfriends or 12. Now that boy they want to date. They don't want to date the responsible one where they want to date. You know that time so you're like maybe they call they use the way don't marry way get picky. Because they stress you for overnight or because maybe they want to easy to talk. You know that time this after way people may you tell many of them may they get back over the platform. You know now use the platform till they do and that thing. More they use that they move here to that is not they use that they praise Vini, maybe Vini they go forward because they use that they robust. You know if you do any useful thing. Even Kokobiri for this country now, they don't know what they may Nigeria, Benin bad, everybody bad. I dey shame. You know that time I dey shame.
My brother, you are on the right track, but you not finish the track. The point where you give is a good point, but you not finish them. You say you be MC, right?
Yes.
You the hustle. Everybody know you as an MC.
I know you well. You know me, Shao.
Maybe I feel know you. I didn't know everybody, bros. That one on one side. Then two.
I know you will see for Sase where you got do MC. Ask for you say the boy now you be.
I know you were here when okay.
Yes, I mean they work for KC Club.
Listen now, Mr. Valentino. You dey do MC, everybody know you as an MC. You say you dey do dread. Now Europe for learn how to be in Nigeria. Hello? Hello?
Bro, now Nigeria for let me work here.
Okay. Which simply means na follow.
Now Nigeria for let me work.
Okay.
No be say joke. I know they say me.
No, wait first. I come. I want to do advert for you now, sir. Listen. I want to do advert for you now. Which simply means na follow come na it be. You not use hungry till learner. You not use frustration till learn now. You dey different. But everybody for that Paris not fit be you. Now only your mind now you know. You don't know every other person mind. You now go wake up in the night, go MC if not be coronavirus. At the end of the day, you come up with something, maybe dollars will not reach 200, but you still manage and you still use your dread when you let come from Nigeria to follow up. I never hear your issue once, and so you shop get money. Okay. How I which say 90, what will be 90, like 50% of Paris guys feel they live this kind of life when you they live so. I believe say I found out who they here this night they deliberate on the issue. Within I want me you use MC to tell them for that side. Tell them say man where they work, women they respect them. That is the truth. But when you are not
I want to tell you one word. Today I your back out for phone where I want to talk to you. Because yesterday I supposed to talk to you, you don't understand.
okay.
They hear me for live video. If many you carry enemy, may they carry my enemy, may they see it or talk, you don't understand. I want to tell you the truth. All those guys you see so they don't like where they also. Many boys they learn Babi, many boys learn this for this same Paris or this so. Many boys don't learn how to do it. Many boys learn a lot of work. They learn Mado, you know understand me so. But you see these guys so, they know they send you because why say you know they see they call them for night. Like me now, I did now, don't I have to tell my guest since the baby I want people. She don't understand me. You know understand me so. In the morning around 8, I don't wake up, I don't dish to do, I don't the hustle.
Okay.
If the girl coming maybe 2-3 times, I don't tell her say baby I dey work, I'll call you later. All those our guests, many don't need that. They need boy be say go day 24 hours so they receive their call if they do road. You know understand me so. So you cannot expect one boy say maybe because the boy will day road with you. Save money. You can't go buy the boy one thing or one the other thing. You can't start saying maybe the boy is useless. Or you can't hear say the same boy they lead to so. The boy they lead to so. You can't say you want to go try out. The boy cute. You want to go try out. You know say 11 girls. They don't even fuck your friend, fuck your roommate, fuck your mama, fuck your papa. You want to go. My guy, more they use brain process.
My brother, you are very sensible and responsible. In fact,
they make me the shame when they say anywhere where you go to say Paris, where all of them are the same. Paris, where all of them are the same. Let's all that fire all of them. When they say that they use our name, say they spoil everything. But when you know they feel they get lucky again because Paris, where they say they spoil name. Guys will come out like this, Paris girl. See the other one call out Paris West. See the other one, if you go bench or go outside, go anywhere, then Paris West say they shot. What did they worry there? People say that this Paris West be saying, man, we know what they do. Maybe they use all that to spoil everybody. You know that family so brought if they carry the disease to call your platform, tell them maybe they get that. Maybe they go to better they do it. If you see when they do better thing for live video, they don't you know get view. If they do better thing now for live video, you know get view. But maybe say they talk about rugby, they talk about to tennis. You see all these people that come on, based on their jobless life, we be all of the guests. Very stupid people. You see they annoying, bro.
Who say? So Percy see get sense like this for that Paris. Really? My brother, here where Yeah, woman, yeah, Ruda, yeah, why, yeah, Yana lesbian, yeah, calm down. Anything you will, but your story, everybody come chi. You know. So if they can't tell me this matter now, I can't rest. My brother, go see my father now, Godfather now, social media. Over there, he pastor them. Then they pray, make me still be pastor. So that they don't go see person where God is what they again. Me, I can never be pastor. Because the moment I enter pastor, things go spoil. Things go spoil. If they pay me now, say that let me want this what they. Yeah, social media president, a pastor we are Ricky. A pastor we are Ricky. Oh. They just they pray and say, may I hear that and one day say, I am not a pastor. Hey, don't finish. Because now only me and the papi that is one day. Now, a pastor is not a pastor. My dear, me pastor. Oh, you a pastor that if I do pastor, now to do. Oh, feed this one like this. Hello. You may now are here. At least today now we just still see some points. Person reasonable just still talk. Hello.
See, I beg. I want to talk one thing for you. About, you know, say you first fight for Shentrobi. Samu. You first fight for Shentrobi.
My sister, hold on.
You get...
Hold on. Not vessel. Do you hear me? You never ever greet me. You just the talk.
I don't greet. Let me say call before.
Call me daddy. I'm not here.
Yes, I call you. Now me say call before. Now me tell you say make you know the chat again.
Oh, okay. Olushi.
Yeah. Olushi baby, BK, rich man wife. You understand me? So you understand me? Why? That you
who want call me now, daddy? If you don't tell me daddy, you go to call now. Why that no?
We police talk now. No verse. You understand? You first fight for Shentro before. You first fight for Chentro, you first fight for lesbian, and you carry an award for that one, which everybody supports you. You understand? I know say you don't swear, say if anybody go call that boy name. I know what call the name, but you know person might they talk to.
Yeah.
You don't swear, say anybody may go call the name. Say the person go...
I don't want me to call God's name again.
And I want to tell you one thing. That is that kind of person, you made a fight for Shentro. Guys, that kind of person, you know, say gets more than one girlfriend. You know, 50 advice and make you stop that character, made they live. That life made they live. You know, if you talk to Ram.
My sister, listen to me.
Yeah.
She be when they pray for you, just now say me, you see husband marry. You say, you don't get husband, may I not pray that prayer for you. Abi? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
You now. As you come to your husband's house now.
No, not the husband's house. So I don't get loving myself. I not be lesbian, I not be anything. I just love myself. I know what to talk about that one.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
For example, now I say you the date boy. And you can't see another guest with the boy. Now you are the ask this question. So how you go feel